Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry with Simpler Trading, and in tonight's free video, I wanted to give you a stock pick that I had come up with. I was, again, going through scans, the foundation of which almost always revolves around a squeeze, or a moment in time that the sideways nature of trade has resulted in compression in a range that usually is getting ready to expand, and that is to say, all through here has been the agreed upon price for about the past month, and into the next 2 and 3 months, we're either going to have a $235 stock on our hands, or it's going to be down here around $200. Now, I am of the opinion that when you look at today's action and you look at what the broad market did, it really was not very good. But then you look over here at Caterpillar and look at the volume that you saw, the shift of the momentum in the squeeze, and of course the strength of the day speaks for itself, opening here around 220 and taking it all the way up into 230. So this is a chart that I think looks very good. Now mind you, I'm going to give you that same opinion all the way back down into 220, right? That's going to be support, and filling out that pattern on the path progressively moving higher is what I believe is unfolding. So I was looking at that and I like it. I like its bullish potential. And then I was thinking about the Honeywell that we worked on in last night's free video and its relationship, kind of two things, one of which is to say the squeeze is the foundation of what we begin with for directional movement. But then we also highlight where we might run into resistance. And look at how good that is. The 618 retracement, 195.21, and you end the day at 195.19. So even though the day started off or had some intraday strength, that retracement still ended up being very important and something that I think you come back down into here on Monday and Tuesday, and that should be your buy point. Now, I wanted to give you those two charts to set the stage for a topic that I thought would have been difficult to describe otherwise, and that's to say, would you be willing to buy an index product? Based off the way Friday closed, to me, that first thought is no. Like, stocks did not close well, and that does not seem like something I would want to do. But if we take those two components and think, well, both of those are Dow components, so would you be willing to pick up this index? I mean, to me, those individual names look better, but we are seeing signs here of the potential of the Dow trying. Now, I want to say again that you get into this on Monday and it starts breaking down. We take out these lows. Well, then clearly this approach will not be correct. But if, maybe down in here offers support and you start to see some of those names that have been showing up so well strengthen up, those could be some Dow components that help that particular index hold up better. And I think that might be worth considering for the second half of April. So just a couple of ideas, couple setups that I'm working with, and I hope they bring a little bit more edge to your trading. You guys have a great long weekend, and we will pick these ideas up on Monday. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.